Those of us in ed tech have learned not to rest. And at 12:19 a.m., an email came from Google announcing all these different updates to the G Suite. You can bet that they've lifted a couple things from Zoom, but this update is a good one. So let's walk through it. First, you should note that some of those increased capacities for participants in your meeting and live streams and the ability to record your session have been extended until September 30th. For those of us who are hoping to get back to school this year, I think that we should just take this as a sign that we should prepare for the long haul. Because if Google is extending this access to the millions and millions of people using this product right now, you should know that they're expecting this to go on for quite some time. Now, the next part of this is about distance learning. So they're focused on distance learning in a way that we haven't seen the company do before. And in fact, this is the same for Zoom. In most cases, the consumer product changes the way that the educational product works, right? So all the features in Gmail get rolled out to the educational users later. This is a seismic shift. The educational world is now changing the consumer world. So they're improving things in Google Meet that weren't there before, such as only allowing the meeting creators and the calendar owners to mute and remove participants. It was ridiculous before. Any student could remove any teacher and other student and mute them, and it was chaos. Only meeting creators and calendar owners can approve requests to join made by external participants. Again, Zoom bombing is one thing. Google Meet, if you had the link, you're in. So now you can actually screen some people. Meeting participants can't rejoin nicknamed meetings once they've left. Let me just cut this one down. Basically, a teacher would create a meeting, the class would join, everyone would leave, the teacher would leave, but that meeting link would still be active after the teacher left. So Zoom, when everybody and the host leaves, that link gets cut off. It's over. The meeting's done. But in the past, students could jump back in and have their own little fun time. Now that can't be done, right? Okay. They also give some recommendations about this, basically keeping those privileges inside of your organizational unit, so like gcds.net or inside of your the established group of people, whatever. This one I just made a tutorial about, and I think that everyone should give this a try. It is going to be a game changer for sure. You can now add a Google Meet link